Hi everyone. Today's video is about life. So, like in schools, we learned pi is equal to 22 by 7. So, this is what we learned in school. So, we write it as 3.14. Okay, we write it as 3.14. So, this is what we learned in school. But the truth is, pi is not equal to 22 by 7. Okay, so many of us don't know this. Let's see how. Okay, so the real value of pi is, the real value of pi is 3 point, okay, 3.14159, and it goes on. Okay, and it goes on. But if you take 22 by 7, the value is 3.14. Okay, afterwards it will be little different. So 285, and it goes like this. So if you compare these two values, okay, if you compare these two values, they are not same. They are not same. They are not same. You might think like it's 3.14, like almost same. Yeah, yeah. For the school level, okay, for for school, in a school level it is okay. Okay, for simplicity we can use 22 by 7. For simplicity we can use 22 by 7, that is equal to 3 point, maybe we can take 3.14. Okay, but if you closely look here, after three decimals, like it changes. It goes like 159, here it goes like 285. So you might think like it's okay, right? It's okay, like you can take 22 by 7 for pi. But it's dangerous. Because think like this. Okay, if you take a let's take a pizza. Okay, let's take a pizza. Okay, pizza is a small circle. Okay, pizza is a small circle. Even though you use the precise value of 14159 like that, it's okay. It's okay to use 22 by 7 because it is a small thing. Okay, it doesn't going to affect much because the error rate is 0.04. It means the difference between pi and 22 by 7 is like a very small percentage, 0.04. So it's not going to affect in calculating maybe the circumference of the pizza or like the size of the pizza. Okay, so it's okay. But think like this. You are working at NASA. Okay, you are working at NASA, or like, so NASA is going to launch a spacecraft. Okay, NASA is going to launch a spacecraft to maybe like to Mars. Okay, to Mars. So Mars, like if you, so they might, if they might using pi. Okay, if they might using pi, let's say the distance to Mars. Okay, wait, the distance to Mars is like roughly 225 million kilometers. Okay, 225 million kilometers. If you take pi, so sorry, if you take 22 by 7 instead of pi, so the error is like the difference between those two values is, yeah, I agree it is small, but how much is it? 0.0012. We can write 0.0012, and it goes on, but let's keep it as 0.0012. Okay, so there is still a difference between these two values. Okay, so if you multiply this tiny error with the distance to Mars, 225 million kilometers into 0.0012, you will get around 270,000 kilometers. Okay, so if they launch a spacecraft using 22 by 7, it even won't, like it will totally miss the planet. Okay, it will totally miss the planet. So like if you take the, if you take the diameter of, or like if you take the diameter of Mars, it's around like 6,000 something. Okay, 6,700 kilometers. Okay, so like it will like totally miss the landing zone. So that is why the precise value of pi is important. It goes on like that. It doesn't stop. Okay, it goes on like this. So you need the precise value of pi in certain occasions, maybe like in engineering, or in like in like this NASA uses it. So in many occasions this precise value of pi is needed. So you can't use 22 by 7. But for in school level, okay, in school level it is okay for simplicity. For simplicity or for convenient, we can use 22 by 7. It's not going to change much of the answer, like it's not going to affect the answer. Like it will be a very very small error. But in engineering or in this like astronautical stuffs, it's very very important not to use 22 by 7. You have to use the precise value of pi. So I hope you learned something new today. So see you, bye.